This week, the European Central Bank has announced its monetary policy decision. Next week, the FOMC meeting will take place. This event will surely influence the whole market as the most popular currency pairs contain the US dollar. Unlike the previous trading weeks, the new one will begin with a bulk of macroeconomic events. On Monday, Germany will report on its business climate in April. The data could become a trigger for a new attempt of the euro-dollar pair to jump above its 2-month high. In March, the business climate indicator increased to its highest level last seen in June 2019. According to the forecast in April, the indicator may continue growing, thus making the euro even more attractive. Later on Monday, the United States will disclose its durable goods orders data. The report is expected to be really positive. In February, the durable goods orders unexpectedly dropped by 1.1%. This was the first negative reading in the last 10 months. However, analysts are sure that data for March will show a rise that will offset the previous decline. Against this background, traders are likely to get interested in the US assets, especially stocks. Next week, the Bank of Japan will also announce its decision on the key interest rate. Japan's monetary authorities rarely take unexpected decisions. That's why on Tuesday, April 27, they will hardly surprise the market. The key interest rate is likely to remain at the current level of -0.1% and the targeted level of a 10-year bond yield at 0%. At the previous meeting, the Bank of Japan slightly widened an implicit band at which it allows long-term interest rates to move around its 0% target. However, traders ignored this news. Thus, it's obvious that the next meeting will not bring any new information. On Wednesday, the trading day will begin with Australia's inflation data for the first quarter of 2021. In the previous period, a rise in consumer prices accelerated 2.9% on a yearly basis. Now, analysts expect a rise to 1.4%. On a quarterly basis, consumer prices are likely to show the same increase of 0.9%. This news should have a positive effect on the Australian dollar as inflation is approaching its targeted level of 2 or 3%. This is the main condition of the Reserve Bank of Australia to increase the key interest rate. Unlike Australia's central bank, the US Fed does want to admit the necessity to raise the benchmark rate. It's planning to keep the key interest rate near zero until 2024. This decision will lead to the US dollar depreciation. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.